order to upload videos to YouTube, first of all you need to sign in to YouTube, right? Now if you don't have an account, that's fine, you can easily create an account. Or if you have ever created an account with Google or any of the Google products, you should be able to use the same username and password in order to sign in to YouTube, right? So on the top right hand side corner there, it says sign in. So I'll click on that and let's try and sign in. If in case you don't have a Google account, it's very easy to sign up, right? Just Google how to create your Google account and navigate to this URL here, accounts.google.com, sign up, right? You'll come to this page here, create your Google account, and as you can see, one account is all you need. One free account gets you into everything Google. So you have Google, Gmail, you've got Google Maps, YouTube, Google Drive, and so on and so forth, right? So those are all the Google's products that you can use once you sign up to or create your Google account. So once you have signed in to your YouTube account, you need to navigate to the top right hand side corner to this symbol here which says upload. In order to upload videos, you need to select this symbol here. Once you select that, straight away you'll see it gives you the option to start uploading your videos. Select files to upload or drag and drop video files. Don't worry about this option here, we'll discuss this as we proceed with this video. But there's two options, right? So you can drag and drop the video files or you can select files to upload. I usually like to select files to upload. So let's go ahead and try and upload a video, right? So the option I'll choose is this arrow here, select files to upload. Now once I select that, YouTube asks me to select the video. So I have saved it under my desktop folder and I have named it test. Just for this video here, I'm just using a test video, right? So once you select the video, YouTube automatically starts to upload it. Upload status, uploading your video. This is the uploading status bar. So you can see it's uploaded 12% already. There's about 44 seconds remaining. Your video is still uploading. Please keep this page open until it's done. Now I've got some options here: basic info, translations, monetization, and advanced settings. Now each of these are important if you want your video to be viewed and for the audience to be able to find your videos. I would say the basic info part is the most important, and you also need to ensure that your advanced settings are properly set. So with the basic info, you have the title, you have the description, and you have tags. So for your title, it's very important that you use keywords that directly relate to the content of your video, right? So say for example, I'm making this video where I'm explaining how someone can upload videos to YouTube. A good title for me would be how to upload videos to YouTube, right? It's a simple title that includes the keywords. So the keywords I'm using here are upload, YouTube, and videos, right? Now same thing applies to description. Make sure you have at least 2 paragraphs of description written. Don't just write a few words or just one sentence and leave it, and make sure you use the keywords in the description, right? So make sure, for example, I would ensure that I have the keywords upload, videos, and YouTube under my description. Same thing with tags. Tags help search engines find your video, right, by the keywords that you use. So my keywords, again, I would definitely have YouTube, videos, upload, maybe how to as well, right? But you can do a bit of research on how to write video titles, description, and tags for your YouTube videos. Now the second thing is translations. Now this is optional, it's up to you if you want to have translations available. And monetization, that's only if you have if you're a partner with YouTube and you're able to monetize your videos, right? So you can select this option here. And the other important option is here, advanced settings, right? So you can allow comments or don't have comments, right? Don't accept comments, it's up to you. I allow comments and I restrict them by having approved comments only. But there's other options as well. You can have all comments show up as soon as someone writes a comment. So I would then select all, or all except potentially inappropriate comments, or approved. So I usually leave it at approved. So I check the comments first and then approve them. Users can view ratings for this video, that's fine. License and rights ownership, this is by default standard YouTube license. Syndication, you can have the video available on all platforms, that's everywhere. Or if you have monetization on your YouTube account, you can make this video available only on monetized platforms. So you can decide, right? There's a few options here. If you think that your video needs to have age restrictions, please make sure to check or select this option here, because you don't want minors to be watching your video if you believe it needs to have age restriction, right? If not, that's fine, you can leave them blank. You can choose a category here as well. So there's a few given there: film and animation, autos and vehicles, music, pets and animals, sports, travel and events. So you can select which one is appropriate for your video. Video language, so you can select which language. And community contributions, allow viewers to contribute translated titles, descriptions and subtitles. This is again optional, it's up to you. Recording date, you can leave it as blank or you can input a date there. Video stats, make video statistics on the watch page publicly visible. Again, that's optional. 3D video, again that's something that's optional, you don't have to do anything there. This video contains paid promotion such as paid product placements, sponsorships or endorsement. Now this is again optional. If you do have these things present, or if you're using this with your video, please select this, otherwise leave it blank, right, or unselected. Now I'll go back to basic info. Now that you can see the video is fully uploaded, right, it says processing done. If I click on publish, this video will be published. Now there's a few things that we need to do before we publish the video. First is, do you want to have it publicly available? That means anyone using YouTube or search engines will be able to search our video and watch it, right? You can have it as unlisted. Unlisted means it is not publicly available. So if people are searching it on YouTube, YouTube will not show them your video. You can send links to people and they will be able to watch it using that particular link, right? Private is completely private. Only you can access the video, and you can have it as scheduled as well. But I usually go for public because I do want people to find my video and watch it. And I can send links to friends and family, I can share them on social media, and everyone can watch it and they can share it as well. So I'll leave it as public. And you can also share, so for example I can share it on Google Plus and on Twitter as well, and I can add a message to my video here. I can add it to my playlist as well. And the other important thing is custom thumbnail. It's very important to use or make a custom thumbnail that does directly relate to your video, but it's eye-catching and it's attractive to the people who look at it, right? So it does need to get your audience's attention when they're searching through videos. If you search for any topic on YouTube, you'll see hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos come up, and the first thing people see is the thumbnail that you're using, right? So make sure it does grab the audience's attention, right? It's eye-catching, so that the audience actually selects your video, right? Because no one sees your video. Firstly, they see the thumbnail and a bit of description on the right hand side, right, when you're searching through YouTube. So your thumbnail is the first impression people get of your video before even watching it. So you may be producing really awesome videos, really great quality videos, But if your thumbnail is not good, no one's gonna click and actually watch your video, right? So that defeats the whole purpose. So make sure you spend some time on learning how to create custom thumbnails. Now by default, YouTube does give you some options here, video thumbnails, as you can see. So at the moment this is my video thumbnail, and there's 3 options available here, and YouTube has taken snapshots from my video, right? Now if I wanted to upload a custom thumbnail, I would select this here, and it gives me the option to select from my folders, or it's up to me, right, which image that I want to use. Now there's a few softwares, image editing softwares or image creation softwares that you can use. I usually use GIMP, G-I-M-P, and I also use PowerPoint to make my thumbnails, right? So if I had a image here, I can just select it, double click it, or select and open, and it would upload. Now let me try and find an image so I can show you. Let's say that image there, that's a picture of me, right? So I'll just try and upload that. There you go. So that's uploaded now, and this will change now. This is the image that I'm using. There you go. So that's the thumbnail right now. That's just my picture there. It is not at all attractive or eye-catching or anything like that. I'm just showing this as an example, right? I would never use that image. Okay, so there you go. That's pretty much how you can upload videos to YouTube. Now after I have changed all my settings, I'm happy with it, I'll click on publish. Once you click on publish, your video is published and will be available publicly. If you did like this video, please share and subscribe for more.